Hi there. Today is all the problem of finding professions. What is it? What do you understand from it? So it is very easily approach. Consider the special family of engineers and doctors with following rules. Everybody has two children. First child of the engineer is an engineer, and second children of the engineer is a doctor. First child of a doctor is doctor, and second child of an engineer. All generation of the doctor and engineers right with start with engineer. So we just have the level order given the level positions and above ascensor as ancestor trees find professions of the person. Now we understand the two things. First it will start with the engineer, and then the parent left is always equal to the parent, and parent right always opposite of the parent, which means you understand this is our parent. Parent left is always to the equal to the parent, engineer, and the parent right are always opposite of the parent, engineer and doctor. So we just have to the in that we in our mind there is a one thing always to occur, odd and even. If even, which means engineer, when odd, which means doctor, right? So here this is a level 4. Level 4 is 1 level, 2 level, 3 level, 4 level. Position of 2, what is doctor? It is shown in the trees given in the question, right? That's the doctor. Now here level 3 position 4, level 3 position 4 engineer. What is engineer? Got it? Now the very simple approach we can write here to just can we do like int position is equal to always to the x is equal to position, and position always to the -1. Why? It will be always to the if 2, which means start from the 1, right? So this is now int count once. If the count once, which means we just have to return the odd and even, while x less than equal to 0, then if we just have to find the order, that means which is odd and even. So for the odd and even, what we have to do, just x and 1, that's where we have to found, and the count once, right? This is, and then that is the right shift is equal to 1, right? Now if count once mod of 2 is equal to 0, this is the main part, then return what is engineer, right? Else return doctor. Now got it? This is, now try to run and just see, count once 14. Oh, what is the rate? What is the problem having there? Okay, okay, so this is the problem here. Now there is not any problem. Yes, and try to submit it. Yes, it will submit it. So you just understand the concept. So this is the concept, very simple. So thank you for staying till the end, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.